What's your favorite summer drink?
I'll go with gin and tonic.
What about favorite on-chain summer show? What you're watching right now?
I've been watching Apple TV shows. There is one with Jake Gyllenhaal. It's about a lawyer, Presume Innocent. It's really good. It's very popular on Apple TV.
Do you prefer to spend time by the pool or by the beach?
By the pool. I don't know why.
I'm not judging. It's just that we can't be friends.
Do you have a favorite artwork that gives you the summer vibe?
There is this artist very popular on Tesos and in general, in generative art called Sankan. He creates generative art and it's usually, landscapes and trees, the outdoors, and it's really good. And people haven't seen Sankan's work, they should definitely check it out. So
Complete the sentence. By the end of on-chain summer,
I will have tried 100 new apps on chain.
That's a lot.
Yeah, I've tried like 30 already, 20 to 30. Maybe it's too much. Let's say 50
Okay.
apps.
And what are your favorite channels to follow on WordPress?
Skin in the game. I like art, generative art, AI art as well. Founders,
what's your unpopular opinion?
Unpopular.
Very spicy.
Especially from the digital art crowd or fans, there seems to be a lot of opposition to free mints or very, very cheap mints. And I understand one side of the story is that they are scared that digital art, it's going to become something very, very, common, and it's kind of missing the exclusivity, right? But I think it's actually a great tool for artists and creators. This possibility, to distribute and to have free mints and very cheap content, media content, but also art. It's just about how to use it, right? If you, depending on where you are as a creator, what kind of audience you have, what's your strategy, I think free mints are actually positive in general for the space, for all kinds of creators, artists or media creators. I disagree with the idea of free mints being negative for the space.
I do agree with that. Yeah. When we think about artists in, let's say, the physical world, right? Even if you're creating the physical art that is a sculpture or something, then you create some cards and posters and so many different things. It's a way of monetization of something that maybe you're not selling, or it's not selling because it's extremely expensive or whatever reason. Having this free means could be a way of experimentation with reaching the audience and then building the community and then offering them. It's like a hyper sub thing, but except it brings the exclusivity some way if you experiment with it cautiously.
Are you up for a challenge?
Yes. Depends what kind of challenge. Let's say the yellow one.
The last meme that made you chuckle